What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got a 2009 Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and put in your own aftermarket radio. This is your first time here. Please consider subscribing, and these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing that I usually do on the dashes that's like this, because you do have some 2009 Silverados that have the dash that's like the 10, 11, 12, and 13 models, to where the dash is kind of like up here in this section. I like to take something flat. This is my plastic panel removal tool, and I come in right there at the top part and take that first clip. Once I get that first clip, then I can usually get my hand behind it and get all the rest of these clips out. Hand's not gonna work, so let's use the removal tool. All right, that's one. I usually come over here to the top and do the exact same thing. Slide behind there, grab that. Now this bottom part is where it gets a tad bit tricky, because there's a clip that's in there that's extremely tight. So I usually get like a pick tool and I try to go down here to this small, you can see that little golden piece right there. That's where your clip is at. And that one that's right there in the middle that's barely poking his head, we need to put something on that and pry that bad boy to the front. Just like that. So now we take that, we set it over here. It's all in one piece. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7 mils on the left, 7 mils on the right, and we'll have this radio out. Now that we have all 4 7 mils out at the top, we can slide that radio out. Come back here to the back and take out all these harnesses. All right, y'all, so we got that radio out, got the harnesses disconnected. So now let's get over here to the bench and get our dash kit prepped to receive this radio. All right, y'all, this part right here is pretty simple. You just want to take your dash kit. This is your dash kit. I think it's the 953305. Don't worry, I will have the links in the description for you. Comes in 3 pieces. You take these 2 and you want to stick it in this back hole right here. So if we can just, I don't know, set it up, do it with one hand, boom. See how that slides in like that? We want to do the same thing to this side. Now that we have both sides kind of slid in like that, we just kind of want to put the radio up, and then we just slide it right over the radio. What I do is go ahead and take the screws that came with the radio and put 2 on the left and 2 on the right. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. That's what's holding this radio in. And let's get this thing back inside the car so we can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, guys, so we are back inside the car. We got this thing wired up. But this is your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, the reason I do that, or I don't do that anymore, is because if I went over the wiring every single video on these radio removals, then that would add an extra 5 to 10 minutes each time I do one of these. And we like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point around here. Plus, I have over like 200 videos of me doing these to different vehicles. But what I have done is I made one video for you guys who don't know how to wire up a radio. I go over wire connections, the wire colors, and all that type of stuff. That link is in the description. That card is over there in the corner. So for the people who don't know how to do it, you have a secondary resource, and the people who do know how to do it, you have what you need in the radio removal. So let's get this thing put in here, and I will show you what it looks like when it's all said and done.
Because cancer isn't just...
All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. See, we got that backup camera working, so if you guys want to see that video, don't forget to hit that card in the corner, link down in the description on how to take your camera from your rear view mirror down to your radio. Other than that, product links in the description, Patreon links in the description. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking me out, sticking with me. We are growing fast and faster. I love all of you guys. Peace. May y'all be blessed.